meaning of this sign?
They
Wait,
announced
wait.
it already.
Sorry.
Slope no road. I think I didn't see.
Well, we know the answer. Steep road ahead.
Steep road ahead. Where could we find this sign, do you think? Do you think we can find it in Louisiana?
No.
Sometime.
Yeah, maybe, yeah. Where mainly will we find this? Like in mountainous areas?
Like California.
Yeah. Rocky Mountain. Okay. All right, what does the 7% mean? 7% slope, what does percent mean? 7 out of 100. Yes. So it means the road drops 7 feet. It's dropped 7 feet vertically for every 100 feet. So what is slope?
The steepness.
There you go, very good. The steepness, slope is the steepness of a line. Slope can be expressed different ways. A line has a positive slope if it is going uphill from left to right. So to tell if it's a positive or not, you start the left hand and you follow the line. And if it is going up, it's positive. Very good, Keandre. Little man walking uphill, he starts from the left, goes up. Okay. A line has a negative slope if it's going downhill from left to right. Start on the left-hand side, follow you along the line, going down. Negative slope. It's easier to walk down the hill than up.
I'd rather slide.
Okay. Dantea, is this a positive or negative
It's a
slope?
positive.
Positive, can you tell me why?
Because it goes uphill. Because it's like,
It goes uphill?
yeah.
Look,
I mean-
going down. Well, what am I doing wrong?
You going the wrong way.
That's right, start on the left. Okay, that's very important. Okay, you can get confused. We always have to start on the left-hand side. What you don't do is start from the right and go the opposite way. You start on the left like you're reading and you follow your finger along the line and you're going up. Positive slope. Before we begin, I want to examine this grid. Okay, there's a few things about this grid we need to know about. They have lots of lines that intersect, correct? Okay? I'm gonna put a dot, and I want you to tell me if I'm putting a dot on an intersecting line or not. Okay? Intersecting line or not?
Yes.
Okay, I want thumbs up or thumbs down. Intersecting line or not?
No.
Intersecting line or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Intersecting line or not?
No.
Very good. Okay, there's something else we need to know about this coordinate plane. This is called a coordinate plane. When we graph lines, they have this line that goes across like this. It's called the x-axis. It looks just like a number line that you're familiar with. Can you notice the line, the numbers? They have a 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Because they don't have a number right here, does that mean that this doesn't mean 1?
It do
No.
mean one.
This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we notice, and we're going to the right. We start right here at the X. And that's the origin. Very good, Braxton. The origin means what? What does origin mean? Origin means,
None.
origin means where you start from. If you want to find directions on the internet, you go to MapQuest. There's two things they're going to ask you for. They're going to ask you for origin and destination. What does origin mean? Where you're starting out. In this case, we're starting out at 0. Okay? That's 0. That's our origin. And that's what we call it on the coordinate plane. Okay? When we go left on the coordinate plane, it's negative. When we go right on the coordinate plane,
Positive.
it's positive. Okay? There's another axis.
Y.
The other axis is the y-axis. Watch this. The y-axis. If you get confused whether this is x or y, just remember the y-axis goes down, has a tail. Okay? Y-axis, x-axis. The y-axis has positive and negative also. What do you think, can you imagine when you're going up, you are adding or subtracting?
Adding.
Adding. So, the ones above the origin are positive and the ones below the origin are negative. But we can start at any point. If we start right here, at this point, this is very important for how we're going to learn slope. If we go up, is that positive or negative? Okay, if we start at this point and we go down, are we negative? Very good. If we go from this point and we go left, positive or negative?
Negative.
Very good. If we start from this point and go right, positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good. Okay, our next slide. Brooke,
Negative.
negative slope? Does everybody agree? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Very good.
Positive.
Positive.
Negative.
Negative.
Positive. Negative.
Negative.
Negative. Negative.
Thumbs up. Who thinks positive?
Wait,
Who thinks negative? Very good. Okay, to remember slope, they have a little rhyme. It says, finding slope is fun. Just remember rise over run. Okay? This fraction ratio right here is actually a slope. We can call it a slope. The top number is rise over
Run.
run. This one right here,
Five.
rise how many?
Five.
Now when you rise -5, are you going up or down? That's right. Even though we're saying rise, when you see a negative, you are going to go down. And 6. One other thing. Is this a positive or a negative? Okay. This is a slope. Rise over run. It's positive. Do you know what a positive line looks like?